In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Notion. Whether you're troubleshooting the desktop app or want a fresh start with your workspace, here's what you need to know. Let's get started. If you're using the Notion desktop app, open the app and click Help in the top menu. Select Troubleshooting, then choose Reset and Erase all local data. Confirm the action when prompted. This clears the locally stored app data and signs you out, but your workspace remains safely stored in your Notion account. Once the reset is complete, sign back in with your Notion account. Your pages and databases will automatically sync back from the cloud. If you're using Notion in a web browser, there isn't a reset option because your data is stored online. If you're experiencing loading issues, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or sign out and sign back into your account. If your goal is to start with a completely empty workspace, create a new workspace or delete the pages you no longer need instead of resetting the app. That's how to reset Notion. Thanks for watching.